How do you turn an idea into a product? Complex in its design, reliable and precise in its function. And how do you manage to produce it in high volumes? It takes highly specialized process solutions. We develop them for pharmaceuticals, for medical technology, for consumer goods, for customers around the world. We continuously optimize existing technologies. As a development partner, we're involved from the very first idea and contribute our expertise and experience. What you can always count on, the product defines the process. A process that grows from lab scale through to automated high-performance production. We implement these in-house developed processes on a small scale as well as on a large scale. We master microdosing and intricate assembly tasks, even in aseptic environments, at high speed and always with meticulous attention to detail. We have contributed to the health of millions of people for over 50 years. We are ready for what the future has to hold. We are Harro.